friends, welcome to the channel, and here we will get to know about the upcoming smartphones or mobiles if 2019 around July to August. So if you are new to this channel, then hit the subscribe button and let's start the video.
Just be honest. Let's just be real. Yeah, let's just be honest.
So here the first phone is coming from HTC Desire 19 Plus. The HTC Desire 19 was just launched recently, and now it will be launching the Plus one, 19 Plus, that is expected to launch in July 31, around, yeah, something like July 31 2019. So, and this will range in price something like 21,000 up to 22,000, yeah. And performance will be octa-core, and display will be around 15.75 centimeters, that is roughly about 6.2 inch. So, and about the storage, we will get about something variants like 32 GB and 64 GB also will be available. And regarding the camera, it will have a triple camera at the back, that will be about 13 megapixel, then 8 megapixel, then 5 megapixel. Going to the next phone, it's LG Stylo 5. And it is expected to launch around August 8 2019, and it will be range around price something like 14,000, and the performance will be same like octa-core, and the storage will be 32 GB, and the display will be the same 15.75 centimeter, that is around 6.2 inch. And regarding the camera, it will be having a single camera, that is 16 megapixel. Like, LG is still behind so far, and who will think about buying a single camera if we get a dual and triple camera in the budget range like 14,000 or 15,000. Moving to the next smartphone that is coming from Vivo Y11, and that will be expected to launch around this coming month and July 3rd, I think, and it will be price range around 9 to 10,000, and this performance will be octa-core, and the display will be 6.2 inch, and storage it will be 16 GB, and the camera, it will luckily to have a dual camera, it will be around 30 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. And moving to the next, it is from Samsung Galaxy A30s. The Samsung has recently launched its A series, like 60s, 70s, and it's coming to A30, and it will be expected to launch around July 10th, and it will price around 13,000, and performance will be obviously octa-core, and display will be 8.4 inch, and regarding the storage, it will have a 32 GB, and camera, it will have a dual camera at the back, that is 30 megapixel plus 5 megapixel. And another phone is coming from same Samsung A series, that is A70s. The previous one was A30s, and this is A70s, and this will be launched on the same day, that is July 10th, and will be priced around 31,990, and the performance will be octa-core. The display will be large, so that will be 6.7 inch, and regarding storage, we will have 128 gigabyte of storage, and camera, we will have a triple camera setup, and that is 64 megapixel, 8 megapixel, and 5 megapixel. Next is HTC U19e. Wow. Okay, it will be expected to launch on July 18th, and it will be priced around 32,000, roughly about 33,000, and performance will be octa-core, and display will be 6 inch. That's regarding small, right? It is quite smaller than regarding other smartphones. The storage will be 128 gigabytes, and the camera will be dual megapixel, that is 12 megapixel plus 20 megapixel. It is a huge for a budget range. the camera quality is like 12 megapixel plus 20 megapixel, and we will get dual camera at the back at the price range of 32,000. How does expect from STC? So thank you for this, and if you like this news like upcoming smart mobiles and news about upcoming July month or August, so hit the like button down below and hit the subscribe